Welcome back to Egg Spot. After weeks of planning and preparing, today is finally the day. My 300 Sasso chicks have arrived, and this marks the beginning of a new journey. From 1 day old chicks to a thriving poultry farm, you'll see every step right here. This is always my favorite moment. Hearing those tiny chops reminds me that every successful poultry farm starts exactly like this. They're small now, but with proper care, over the next few months, they'll grow into healthy birds. Before the chicks arrived, I had already prepared the brooder with clean bedding, enough space, and good ventilation. Preparation is everything because the first few days determine how well your chicks will perform. Temperature is one of the biggest factors in chick survival. These day-old chicks cannot regulate their body temperature, so they depend entirely on the brooder to stay warm. I'm using a traditional charcoal brooding pot, making sure the heat is just right, not too hot and not too cold, and a little bit of a 75-watt bulb. Water comes before feed. After the stress of transportation, the chicks need to hydrate first. Rehydrate, I mean. I gently help a few chicks find the drinkers, and soon the rest will follow. Make sure you use vitamins and paraffin mixed in lukewarm water for the first drink. Once they've had water, it's time for the first meal. A quality chick starter feed provides the protein and nutrients they need for rapid growth during these first few weeks. Since this is the first time they're eating, make sure you cover the sawdust with boxes or any material. Mine, I used a soda sag, and you can pour feed on top of them since the chicks do not know how to use feeders at this point. Everything looks good. They're eating, drinking, and settling in nicely. Now the real work begins, keeping them healthy every single day. This is just day one. Over the next few months, I'll be documenting every stage, the victories, the challenges, the costs, and hopefully the profits. If you're interested in poultry farming or you're thinking of starting your own flock, subscribe and join me on this journey.